First of all, what Water Optimizer is it's a computer program that we've developed to help producers and water policy analysts to look at how they may be able to make decisions that get more value from the limited water that we have for irrigation. The program allows producers to enter in their own production costs, and they can also set their own constraints. If they really want, for example, to be half corn and soybeans on a rotation, they can do that. So the program was designed to do that. It's really an outgrowth of probably 25 years of research that we've done to look at how crops respond to irrigation water application. We look at the yield that they produce, we look at the economics from that. We certainly are interested in getting more value out of the water that we use. Nebraska is lucky in that it has about 2/3 of the volume of water that's available in the Ogallala Aquifer in Nebraska. And if we looked at the amount of irrigation water we've pumped, since about 1950, in 1950s when we got started developing irrigated agriculture in Nebraska. Since about 1950 till now, we have reduced the volume of water storage in the Ogallala Aquifer in Nebraska by 1%. So we still have 99% of this aquifer there, but we have all these stream flow problems. And so we're really, I think, in the throes, an interesting time in Nebraska to figure out, how are we going to build priority for in-stream flow, yet, maybe we can tap this great, wonderful resource we have in the aquifer. And then we need to get creative and think about ways that we can do both. What we do collectively is we try to look at how water can be managed, generally at the farm level, to achieve certainly the goals that farmers have in order to be able to be profitable and efficient. We also look at how that impacts the watershed. And so we're trying to take this dual view of managing the water. Sometimes it might be most efficient or best for the farmer to get as efficient as he can, and so every drop of water that he pumps might be used for crop use. Research is like peeling back layers of a huge onion. Every time you peel back one layer of that onion, there's another layer. You're smarter, you learn something, there's another layer. Our research sites are 300 miles from Lincoln. And so, we have this challenge. Some people's lab is in the basement. Ours is across Nebraska. Some of my colleagues, we have equipment making measurements on water use from up at the ARDC by Ithaca till all the way out to across western Nebraska. And so I love getting out there and doing that in the real world, but the travel aspect of it and the logistics of it become a challenge. So, but we have to do that. We have to be out where they're at. So, yeah, could we do more of that? Absolutely. Could we do it better? Absolutely. But it gets expensive.